Experts remind you that the likelihood of a person catching avian flu is slim. The most likely people are farm workers, but they say you should stay vigilant. Stephen Florino reports.
Hawaii was the only state in the country without avian flu, but now it's here.
As far as public health, we need to be aware. I don't believe there's a need to panic.
H5N1 is a respiratory virus, subvariant of influenza A. It's highly contagious between birds, but much harder for a person to catch.
In terms of human-to-human transmission, those viruses don't do that typically.
For birds, the virus is deadly, and it can pass to other animals. But for people, symptoms are similar to the flu: fever, cough, sore throat, and conjunctivitis.
This bird might have it, and then if I play with it and deal with it, then I'm infected with it, but I'm not sick from it. But I have it on my hands, or if I touch my face, and then maybe if I'm not as healthy or I'm conditioned, then I might come down with something of that nature.
Which is why experts are reminding everyone to practice good hygiene. Wash your hands to prevent spreading germs. The City Department of Customer Services, who's in charge of catching feral chickens on Oahu, says as of right now, they're not doing anything different. Veterinarians say the chance of your pet getting avian flu, very slim. Dr. Chang says even if your cat is sick, there are many other respiratory diseases that are much more common.
They probably would be treated the same way. In that the viruses are difficult to treat, but secondary bacterial infections are manageable and treatable.
Report any sick pets to your vet and contact state officials for any unusual or multiple animal illnesses. Information will be on our website, khon2.com.
I don't think we have to worry. I do think we need to be aware, and I think it would be good for everybody to remind each other to practice good hygiene.
Stephen Florino, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.